Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Check your device compatibility. SORA requires Android 10 or higher, so first verify your phone's operating system version. Go to Settings, then About Phone, and look for your Android version. If you're running an older version, you'll need to update your device before proceeding. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Search for SORA in the search bar at the top of the screen. Look for the official app with the verified checkmark next to the developer name to ensure you're downloading the legitimate version. Step 3. Read the app permissions and requirements carefully. Review what data and features SORA will access on your phone, like camera access and storage. This helps you make an informed decision about whether you're comfortable with these permissions. Step 4. Tap the Install button and wait for the download to complete. The app's size is typically around 150 megabytes, so make sure you have enough storage space available. Your phone will automatically install it once the download finishes. Step 5. Open SORA, create your account, and start using the app. You'll need to sign up with an email address and follow the initial setup prompts. Once you're in, explore the main features and customize your settings to match your preferences.